Hi everyone, I'm Lena Perepelova, the administrator of this group Investing is for Women and founder of Women Investors Club. Today I'm recording this video for all the members in this group who are joining and asking how to start investing. I just had a long seminar with a big group of women from Europe, from Professional Women Network. So it gave me lots of energy and I could see how women get motivated and really want to start investing. So here I'll just do a very short summary of the most important slide from the presentation I gave. So hold on and let's see. How to invest? This is the question most of you who didn't start investing are asking. And this is my advice. First of all, don't invest in what you don't understand. And it might sound simple enough, or you will just say, well, but I don't understand anything. But hold on, just remember, you have to understand what you're investing in. And actually, it's really not so difficult. Financial industry really makes it sound difficult. This is their art. They use such words which normal person cannot read. But once you just educate yourself a little bit, it's really little bit of education, you start understanding what they're talking about. And the moment you want to invest, it has to make sense and you have to understand what it is. And the moment you don't, it's not the right investment. So lots of you might consider starting with crypto as an investing. Well, this will be something which you don't understand. So don't start with it. Start with something which is much more simpler and much more logical. You have to build and find your confidence. And you already started doing it by subscribing to the group, attending events, so keep working on it. It requires work, it requires, again, education and support from other people, so keep working on it. And now the real thing. So if you want to start investing, if you want to start your education, focus your education on passive investing and understanding what are index funds or ETFs. Once you understand that, you understand the difference between them and actively managed funds, actively managed mutual funds, this is pretty much the only thing you need to know. Another thing you shouldn't do is Google investing. Googling investing is really something which will bring you to the most random places. Just don't do it. You want to find a resource to start from, it's Investopedia, like Wikipedia, but starting with Investopedia. This is the only resource where you, if you start researching passive investing or index funds or ETFs, it will give you different articles, you read them, different articles, different videos, you will see how quickly you start understanding things. And always your focus should be on minimizing management fees. So if you're looking at the products, you have to understand what are the management fees. And management fees above 1% are very high, and you shouldn't invest in anything which charges you 1% or up. In fact, 1% fee will destroy at least 25% of your savings long term. This is brutal, this is a lot. So watch the management fees. Dedicate time to education. Without education, you won't be able to invest. So just book some time for learning, start learning. We have a book club on the 1st of February. You're still on time to read the book and come to the book club. That's also in the beginning. Look through Investopedia. There are different ways you can educate yourself. It's really not as complicated. And find the right community or accountability partners. So in this group, there are lots of women who are actually willing to learn, who really started investing. So ask your questions, be active, or maybe you can find an accountability partner here with whom you can learn together. So it's all possible if you really want to do it and if you really put finance as your priority. And that's very, very important, because one thing which will pay so many times long term is for you now investing some time to learn and to do things. Waiting really costs you. I meet many women who just say, I wish I have done it 20 years ago. You cannot do something in the past, but you can do something today and it will serve you for many years. Investing is easy and boring. Believe me, financial industry is not doing it, is not showing it as easy and boring, because this is not how they can earn money. They make it very, very complex that we go for their help. But in fact, it's not so complicated. So just educate yourself and you will see results quickly enough.